Here's our sequence. First, term 2. Then add 3 each time. 2, 5, 8, 11. Their tags, U0, U1, U2, U3. Write the plain facts. 5 is 2 plus 3. 8 is 5 plus 3. 11 is 8 plus 3. Same facts in tags. U1 is U0 plus 3. U2 is U1 plus 3. U3 is U2 plus 3. Now watch the addresses. 1 is 0 plus 1. 2 is 1 plus 1. 3 is 2 plus 1. Every address on the left of the equal sign is the next one after the address on the right. So call any seat n. The seat right after it is n plus 1. One line says all of it. un plus 1 equals un plus 3 for every n from 0 up. 2 adds 2 floors. The plus 1 is downstairs in the address. It points to the next index, so un plus 1 is the term sitting there, the next term. The plus 3 is upstairs, the value, 3 more. So it reads, the next term is this term plus 3. Careful, un plus 1 is that next term, never un plus 1. That gives the recipe. For rules like ours, where each term comes from the one just before, a recursive definition has 2 parts. First, the first term, U0 or U1, the starting point. Second, the recursive rule, the formula linking un plus 1 to un for every valid n, say n at least 0 or at least 1. Know those two and every term follows, step by step. Let's use it. First term, U1 is 5. Careful, this one starts at U1. The rule, un plus 1 equals un plus 3 for n at least 1. Take n equals 1. U2 is U1 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. n equals 2. U3 is U2 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11. n equals 3. U4 is 11 plus 3, 14. n equals 4. U5 is 14 plus 3, 17. The first 5 terms, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Let's remember, for our one-step rules, a recursive definition is the first term, U0 or U1, plus the rule linking un plus 1 to un. And un plus 1 is the next term. The plus 1 is in the address, never un plus 1. One short line holds infinitely many equations.